I needed to do studio work today to finish off my pages for January, but it feels like I've spent so long indoors over the last couple of days. I just didn't fancy it. I couldn't bring myself to spend too much more time inside. Hello and welcome to the Daily Nature Journal. I'm down at the beach again today. The sea's really still today. It's so glassy. There's oyster catchers on the rock over there. The tide coming in over the top of it. They look quite funny. Sort of perched there. When the tide's lower, it's a lot easier to get round and go all the way round into the next bay, and that's where you can find the village of Beer. So I think I'm going to stay here and journal a little while. So the kind of journaling I'm doing today is just writing in pencil the date, the weather, any nature spots that I've seen, and then sometimes it sort of goes into reflective musing. For example, how the situation I find myself in outside sometimes reflects on other aspects of my life. No one's ever saying that a nature journal has to contain only nature observations. So this is the last video of January. And I can't say that I'm sad to see the back of this month. February should be interesting. We'll have the first of the spring flowers. And spring always comes a little bit earlier here in the southwest of England. So there's plenty to be looking forward to. So that's all for the Daily Nature Journal from today. Hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of a really cold day at the seaside. In my next video I'll be back in the studio finishing off those pages for January. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the changes on this beach through the year. And I'll see you in my next video.